Okay, children, let me continue. Already we have seen 8th standard only we are continuing the non-detail, that is supplementary, the 3 questions. On the previous class I said, choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, who said these words, and short answer, first answer we have written. And the second one, the question is, was the king satisfied with the answers? Why? Was the king satisfied with the people answer, with his own men answer? No, he was not satisfied because everyone is giving different answers. So, you take the answer from the question. The king was not satisfied with the answers. The two questions are asked here. First question is, the king was satisfied. Okay, was the king satisfied with the answers? What you should write? No, the king was not satisfied with the answers. Second question is what? Why? Why means you have to start with because. Because all the answer are all the answers were different. They were a different answer. For the same first question, everyone is giving different answer. Each person is giving one answer. They are not related to each other. So, the king was not satisfied. The answers were different. And the king could not agree with them. Okay, the king was not satisfied with the answers because all the answers were different and the king could not agree with them. Okay, then third answer. Third one is, why was the king advised to go to the magician? Why? In order to know the correct answer. The king was advised to go to the magicians in order to know, same word, in order to know the right time for every action. Clear? So, 3 questions we have completed. First question I said in book itself. Second question, the king was not satisfied with the answers because the answers were different and the king could not agree with them. And the third one, the king was advised to go to the magicians in order to know the right time for every action. Clear? And what's the fourth question? Whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer to the second question. Okay, let me rub the board and write. So, I have completed the third unit only. Fourth unit, I have to give the question and answers. Clear, children? Copy down in the classwork, I said already. Whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer to the second question. Let me write the answer here. Fourth. In order to the second question answer, In answer to the second question, not order, in answer to the second question. In answer to the second question, the advice of the counselors, that is, counselors means what? The members in many King's Court, priest, that is, religious leaders, doctors, and warriors. Warriors means what? Soldiers. Warriors would be important. Important to the king. Children, I think you can make out my writing properly. So what's the question? Whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? In answer to second question. In answer to second question, whose things important? The advice of the counselors, priests, doctors and warriors would be important to the king. So this person only must help the king to say the answer for the second question. Clear, children? So section 1 is over. We have to go for section 2. This is the continuation. Okay. Section 2, the same supplementary. The questions are in page number 89. First, true or false. Write true or false for the following statement. First one, the bearded man was an enemy to the king. Is true. Second one, the king and the hermit refused to help the wounded man. False. Both are helping him, so it is false. The wounded man asked for the king's forgiveness. True. The king promised to restore the property of the bearded man. True. So, all the three options are true except the second one. Second one is false. So, first one is true. It's in page number 89. I said true or false. Answer is what? A. First one, true. Second one only false. Third one is true. Fourth one also true. Clear? Next one, match the following. Physician, you know. Physician means what? Medical practitioner, doctor. So put number 1, 2, 3 first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Physician 1. Restore 2. Repent 3 and ambush 4. Okay? So we are going for the answer from the B. Physician, medical practitioner. Physician, what I said? Medical practitioner. That is as per our list. Physician. Medical practitioner. Okay, first one answer. And second one answer, restore. Restore means what? Bring back. Collecting back. Bring back. Clear? And the third answer is repent. Repent means feel sorry, regret. And the fourth one is ambush, surprise attack. Surprise attack. Just go through. First one, what I said? Physician, bring back, restore. Physician, medical practitioner, restore, bring back, repent, regret, ambush, medical practitioner. The order is 2, 4, 1, 3. Clear? Now you have to go for question and answers. Answer the following questions. I think only short answer I can give. Paragraph answer I have to continue. Other class. In your whatever it may be, I'll give the question and answers now. Short answers. That is answer. Page number 90. Page number 90. We have to write down the question and answers. As usual, the questions you have to copy from. How many questions are there? 4 short answers. Clear. We'll go for question and answers. First question is, who came running out of the wood? What happened to him? Answer, first answer, C, page number 90, C, question and answers. Let me write here. Answer the following. Who came running out of the wood? What happened to him? Who came running out of the wood? Answer. Children, who came? A bearded man. Beard means what? நம்ம தாடின்னு சொல்கிறோமே that thing. A bearded man came running out of the wood. Wood. Who came running out of the wood? So first answer, a bearded man came running out of the wood. Next question is what? What happened to him? What happened? Blood was flowing. Blood was flowing from the wound. Wound means what? அடிபட்டிருக்க இடம். Okay. From the wound in stomach. From the wound in his stomach. From the where the blood flows from his stomach. Blood was flowing from the wound in his stomach. The king's bodyguard. Who wounded him? The king's bodyguard only. Because he came the intention of killing the king. So the king's bodyguard wounded him. Bodyguard, you know, securities. The king's bodyguard attacked him. Clear, children? A bearded man came running out of the wood. Blood was flowing from the wound in his stomach. The king's bodyguard attacked him. Clear? Second answer. How did the king and the hermit restore the life of the wounded man? That is how they saved, because blood was flowing from his stomach. So how they saved him? Hermit and king together. So we'll write the answer now. First, what they did? The king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. That is, they make the dress to be free. Then the king wash the wound because bleeding, no. The king washed the wound to remove the stain, blood stain, and bandaged it bandaged means what? Tied. Bandaged it with his handkerchief. Handkerchief. And with a towel of the hermit. I write on the top. Continuation here, children. Second question continued. And with the towel of the hermit. When the blood stopped flowing, because they are tying up with the handkerchief and towel, no, the blood stopped. When the blood stopped flowing, the king gave fresh water for him to drink. Then the king, with the help of hermit, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. L-A-I-D, laid him on the bed. So, this is continuation, second answer. The king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. The king washed the wound and bandaged it with his handkerchief and with the towel of the hermit. When the blood stopped flowing, the king gave fresh water for him to drink. Then the king, with the help of hermits, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The third question. So, how many questions more mean for me? 2 more short answers and paragraph answer, 2 paragraph answer. So, let me continue in other class, children. Thank you.